In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get normal copy and paste in OneNote. If you've ever noticed that text you copy into OneNote doesn't always keep the formatting you want, or that it sometimes looks different from the rest of your notes, this tutorial will show you how to control paste behavior and get consistent results every time. Start by opening OneNote and navigating to the page where you want to paste content. OneNote has several paste options that can affect how text appears when you bring it in from other applications, websites, or even other sections of your notebook. By default, OneNote keeps all the original formatting when you paste. That includes fonts, colors, and weird spacing. But if you just want clean text, there are a few easy ways to do it. First, the fastest method. Use the shortcut. Control plus Shift plus V. This pastes your content as plain text instantly, without any formatting. If that shortcut doesn't work in your version, don't worry. There are other options. Second method. After you paste something, look for the small Paste Options icon that appears. Click it, then choose Keep Text Only. That removes all formatting right away. Third method. Right-click where you want to paste, then select Keep Text Only from the menu. If you're using a version where the shortcut doesn't work, like the Windows 10 app, here's a quick workaround. Paste your text into Notepad first, then copy it again and paste it into OneNote. That strips all formatting, and that's it. Now your notes stay clean and simple. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.